Hey cuties, we are back with yet another collab with MERIT Beauty, and this time guys, they sent me over a nice holiday gift set called La Fete. I think that's it. I'm gonna put it on the screen just to make sure that I am saying it correctly. So someone who knows how to pronounce it, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but it's La Fete edition. And within this box, y'all, it includes so many goodies and holiday essentials. And they sent it right on time, y'all, because I actually have a holiday party that I am attending tomorrow. So I'm gonna try out a look for this holiday party, trying everything in this box. So as you guys saw a little earlier, within the box you get the signature lip, and it's a lightweight lipstick, and the color, let's go ahead, it says the color is an aperitif. I'll put that on the screen as well, guys. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it is just like this nice kind of reddish color. And y'all, look at the packaging on it. I mean, everything about them is just perfection. Look how that's packaged. I love how their packaging goes along with their theme of being natural, lightweight, vegan, cruelty-free, like all of that clean, good stuff. I love that. It also comes with the Brow 1980 in neutral. So in the last collab, they sent me the Brow 1980 in brown, but this time it comes in neutral. And I think they made a neutral color so that it is befitting for all brows. So we're just gonna go ahead and open that. And boom, as you can see, it's a neutral color. And so that right there is probably just gonna shape your brows and tame them for you. The next thing that comes in this set is going to be the Mini Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. And that is this bad boy right here. And this Instant Glow Serum is supposed to instantly give you glass skin. So when you put it on, it's gonna give you instantly that glow that you're looking for. And I think that's gonna be great with the powder foundation that I'm gonna use so that it doesn't ash me out, even though my name's Ashley. I'm so freaking corny. But the next thing that you get is the Clean Lash Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara in the color black, okay? And that is going to be this bad boy right here. Oh, make sure you guys can see the name on the front. And then we're just gonna open it for you. Oh, look at that brush there. Really nice brush. So I can really see that working very well for our lashes. And then the last thing that you receive that comes in the gift set here is the Day Glow Highlight Balm in Bounce. So it is a nice highlighter for you. This is what it looks like, and it is in Bounce. So first thing that we want to do to start is go ahead and open up our Instant Glow Serum. And it comes in a pump, as you see, like this. And we're just going to pump a little bit on our hands. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's maybe that much. And then I'm gonna start massaging from the nose on the cheeks, and we're gonna need a little more. Outward. And anytime I put like any items on my face or anything, I always try to do it in a massaging motion to go like outward, you know, so that we can make sure we get the blood flow going in the skin and make sure that we're looking good. But y'all, this is very soft. I can feel already. It's not sticky, doesn't leave a residue or anything, and it's not oily, which is awesome because I have oily skin, and any product that's gonna add oil to my skin, it's a no-go for me. So I'm already liking the way that that feels. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my powder foundation off camera and put on a little blush off camera. So Merit, you need to send me some foundation and blush so I can use everything together. But I'm gonna use what I have to show you guys the rest of these products. Un moment. Okay, so I put on my powder foundation. I went in with a little bit of blush and then some of the Merit Beauty bronzer. Now, sitting in this natural light, I do look a little washed out, but that is perfectly fine with me. So typically for me, I like to do my brows first. So I'm just going to grab my mirror here. And you guys, remember, this is supposed to be lightweight makeup. It's not supposed to be heavy. It's supposed to give you that makeup, no makeup look, okay? Very natural, very, you know, subtle. And for me, that's been the look that I've been going for lately. I love the makeup, no makeup look because it just gives me that natural glow. And look at that. I kind of already plumped up that eyebrow there for me. So remember, this eyebrow color is in neutral. It's not tinting the brow or anything. It looks like it's just more so taming the brow. Okay. And we're gonna come in on this brow here. And boom. And everyone who knows or who's been watching this channel knows that I am a stickler for brows, but this, like I said, is supposed to give that lightweight, tame feel. So it's not gonna give that heavy, I like to call it Atlanta brow, that we have been so accustomed to seeing over these few years. So yes, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the highlighter. And this highlighter, as I mentioned, is in the color Bounce. And y'all, I just cannot get over this packaging. It is very, very nice. I love, like I said, how it goes with the natural, neutral, lightweight feel. Everything that I've received from Merit has just been awesome when it comes to packaging. So we're just gonna go ahead and swipe a little of that highlight there. I'm just gonna dab that in like so. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's very lightweight, but look at that already. I'm gonna put a little on my nose here and just highlight where I'm seeing the sun naturally hit places. So here on my nose, here between my brows, and then maybe put some here on the chin. And it's great that I am sitting in natural lighting so that I can see where the sun naturally hits all of those places. The next thing I'm going to go in with is the volumizing. The Lash Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara, okay? And remember guys that this is the mini that it comes in, and then it comes in the color, it's actually called Perfect Black. Perfect Black, baby. Love the name of that. All right, so these are the lashes before And then let's see what they look like after. Oh, wow. I love it because it's not super heavy on the brow. And I'm also seeing there's no clump. And since this makeup is very lightweight, it wouldn't need to be, see that? This is with, this is without. But since the makeup is very lightweight, it wouldn't need to be waterproof like others, I'm assuming. Oh man, look at that. I love it because there's no clump. You know, most of those other mascaras, they're very, very thick, which is great because they do, you know, make the lashes look more full. However, it's hard to get the makeup out, but with this, I can already foresee that it's gonna be as simple as taking a nice makeup wipe, then going back in with your facial cleanser, and it's gonna come right out. And that's both lashes. Okay, guys, and for the last item that we have, it is going to be, sorry, I'm just putting everything back, our lipstick, and it is in the color, I'm gonna put it on the screen, APERITIF. So aperitif? Aperitif. Oh my goodness, aperitif. So I'm not gonna line my lips because I want the look to be 90% authentic to what was inside of this holiday set, okay? So I don't have anything on my lips right now. And this shade, I believe, was created to fit all skin tones, okay? So it's one of those reds that go with all skin tones, okay? And that's how it looks. And then we're just gonna do another boom there. And that is that. So I'm just going to go in, clean up around my lip a little bit, and then we'll come back with our final thoughts. So overall, I love all of these products, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna wear this exact look to the holiday party that I'm going to tomorrow, and minus the red lip, I am going to wear this look to my baby shower on Saturday, December 17th. So once again, thank you so much, Merit, for sending this holiday edition box over. Remember, guys, make sure that you use my link below to go in and purchase this holiday edition set. You can still get your hands on it. It does retail for $75. So make sure you go and pick it up today. Also, purchases that are over $40 have free shipping on them, so don't worry about the shipping because that will be free, okay? And also, with every first purchase that you have with Merit, do not forget that you get the signature bag. And this bag does come in handy because it is most definitely lightweight. You could throw it right in your luggage. If you're traveling, you could put it in a purse if you're somebody who carries a bigger purse, and it just fits perfectly right in there, so you can carry all of your beautiful Merit products in there. Now don't go throwing any other products in that bag. It's just for Merit, okay? Just for Merit. But yes, thank you you guys so much for watching this video, and you guys better get on the Merit train, okay? Let's not go into 2023 looking all caked up, baked up. Let's have a nice, lightweight, beautiful look. The makeup, no makeup look. And you can achieve that by getting your hands on Merit Beauty, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when we post more videos like this. And stay cool, calm, and Crawford. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.